No one tells you this about growing old. Life does not change suddenly. It slows down quietly, gently, just like evening turning into night. Growing old is not something we are taught. We discover it step by step, through silence, reflection, and acceptance. After the age of 60, life enters a different rhythm. If we understand this stage early, we can walk forward with peace instead of fear. The first reality of growing old. The people around you begin to disappear. Parents and elders return to Allah. Friends are occupied with their own struggles. Children are busy building their futures. And sometimes, even a life partner may leave before you. Loneliness becomes familiar. Here, growing old teaches us an important lesson: to live with ourselves, to find strength in solitude, and comfort in silence. The second reality. The world slowly looks away. No matter how respected, successful, or powerful you once were, old age places everyone on the same level. The applause fades. The spotlight moves on. Growing old teaches us humility, to stand quietly, to admire the success of others, without envy, without regret. The third reality. The body becomes fragile. Illness may arrive without warning. Pain becomes a companion. At this stage, perfect health is no longer the goal. Acceptance is. We move forward with patience, light movement, and a hopeful heart, encouraging ourselves every single day. The fourth reality. Life may return us to the bed, just as it did at the beginning. Once, our parents cared for us with endless love. Now, after a lifetime of effort, we may depend on others again. Care may come, but not always with the same affection. Growing old teaches humility and reminds us to be grateful, even for small acts of kindness. The fifth reality. Growing old is not a loss. It is a return to simplicity. Accept this phase with calmness, dignity, and faith. Trust Allah's plan. Remain content. May Allah grant us peace in our later years, strength in weakness, and light as life gently slows down.